Imagine a future where your academic ambitions meet incredible career possibilities, all within a vibrant European nation. For Indian students with global dreams, that reality is increasingly pointing towards Germany. Why Germany? It's a powerhouse of academic excellence with globally recognized universities, many now offering programs in English, especially at the master's and PhD levels. What's more, compared to traditional destinations, studying in Germany can be surprisingly affordable, all within a nation boasting a powerful and growing economy. Your German education can be the launchpad for a successful career. Focus on in-demand fields like engineering, IT, and more. Many programs offer practical experience through internships, giving you a real edge in the job market, and while English programs are plentiful, learning German can significantly boost your career prospects and integration. After graduation, Germany offers a fantastic opportunity, an 18-month residence permit to actively seek employment. With a strong economy, the chances of finding a role that matches your skills are high. And for those looking to build a long-term future, Germany provides clear pathways to permanent residency after a qualifying period of work and integration. You won't be alone on this journey. Germany has a growing ecosystem to support international graduates, helping you navigate the job market and integrate into the community. It's about more than just a degree, it's about building a fulfilling life. Ready to explore? Start your research with some valuable online resources. The DAAD website for study information and scholarships, Make It in Germany for career and immigration guidance, Study in Germany for an overview of the education system, and the German Embassy in India for visa information. You'll also find Uni-assist helpful for the application process. Your German dream awaits. With world-class education, promising career prospects, and pathways to building a future, Germany could be the perfect place to unlock your potential. Start your journey today.